Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to add sheet metal tab. So if you want to add sheet metal tab, you can go to File, click Spaceclaim option, and will be show for the Spaceclaim option dialog box. In here you can go to Customize, and then you can click on ribbon. After it, you can check for sheet metals to show this feature in your tab. If you don't, you can click OK. Now I will remove the sheet metal. You can click File, Option, and then you can uncheck. Click OK. It will be remove the tab. So to show again, you can click Option, and then you can check for sheet metal tools. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to add sheet metal tab. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.